Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Fan Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase Kombi. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This Kombi is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had all its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Kombi, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the Kombi. To the front you will notice LED headlights. In the lower part of the bumper you will see front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille you will notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Kombi again, you will notice that the door handles and mirror caps are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this Kombi are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving a Kombi on a busy road or for cold winter months. It's also fitted with twin sliding manual doors. It's also fitted with privacy glass with twin sliding ventilation windows. I'd just like to show you the advantage having both doors open. To the back of the Kombi you will notice 3 comfortable seats. Across all the seats you will notice Isofix anchorage points. This is ideal for securing the correct child seat into the seats. To the back of the Transporter you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear window and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper you will see reverse parking sensors. This Kombi is also fitted with LED rear tail lights. You'll also notice the Transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear tailgate. Moving into the load area, you will notice there's plenty of space. On both sides, you will see factory panels. Across the floor, you will see load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. If you wanted to gain more space, you could push down the seat backs. You could also take out the rear row seats if needed. If I step back, if you could imagine, this would be the added space. This Kombi is finished in a metallic paint, which is copper bronze. Before we move into the interior, I'd like to show you the 17-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver and passenger seats have armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the key features on the media screen and also the controls inside the interior cab. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is also fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel you will notice multimedia switches. To this side you will notice cruise control. This vehicle has covered 10,637 miles. To the centre of the dash you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is using Waze for maps and also a downloaded music app. If I pop the Kombi into reverse, you will notice a rear view camera. If I press the screen, it will show you a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. The passenger and the driver's seats are heated. As you can see, they're easy to use. Just press the switch to adjust the heat temperature. Here we have the temperature control switch. Here we have a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate Kombi, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the vehicle. When talking to the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.